We're doing some watercolor techniques and we need to divide our paper up. I really want 5 sections to go across, so this is how you can find it easily. Find where the middle is, and let's go slightly above that. So slightly above the middle and make a line. All the way across, as evenly as you can. Now let's divide that. It's a little crooked, that's alright. Alright, here was our middle. Let's go just a little bit under that. And let's divide it one more time. Five. Perfect. All right, now we need to divide this into 3 parts. So probably about right here and here. Straight down. In the first section, write your name. Oops. Do this in pencil. The rest of this I want you to write at the top. At the top. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm writing just a little bit easier. First one is flat wash. Then I need graded wash. Layers. Blotting. That would be my cat. Blending. Dry brush. Scumbling. Resist. Masking. Wet and wet. Salt. Splattering. Water. Drop. And the last one, plastic wrap. And that's it. There's all of it.